Do you remember the commercials of pizza joints that would say 30 minutes or less and your order is free? Well, Provident Metals shipped this to me within 6 days. Let me tell you about it. What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and you heard that right. 6 days or less. Now, that's not anything that they're running right now, but I was just so surprised at receiving this package from Provident Metals. Just unbelievable. I ordered it on the 13th. That is the Wednesday. I received the notice on Friday the 15th that it was going to be shipped, and then on Monday the 18th I received this package. 6 days. Provident Metals, you outdid yourself right here. Where I was worried about making an order and then receiving it 30 days later, no, 6 days. Provident Metal, you did great. Thank you guys so much. So let's get into this package right now. Of course, it's always packed well. This is how they had it packed. Of course, there was a bunch of paper inside it. Let me open this thing up and we'll get right into it. So I have it all out on the table for you to see all at once. Of course, we'll go over each one of these just real quick. Just happy with the purchase, obviously, for the speed of it. Everything is BU. These are cool. We'll talk about those very shortly. And thank you very much, Provident. Great purchase for me. Happy with the items that I received. Obviously, the price was right where I needed it to be because the premiums weren't as high. They had kind of dropped back a little bit. So I got in there just in time to make an order and get what I needed. But awesome. We got a bunch of 2020 stuff. And now let's go over each one of these real quick. You know, all of this is going to be going into the Silverlopes, and we've been needing some updates to the Silverlopes. So if you see it here, it will be in a Silverlope. I got one of these for my wife. I got one of these for my wife. But we'll go over that right now. Alright, the first thing we have is the 2020s. We'll go over the 2020s up here. Well, I guess all of this is 2020s, so that works out. But up here we have two 2020 Krugerrands. Really like this design. Of course, it makes you think of the gold. But Krugerrand started in 2017 was the first year of the silver Krugerrand. I don't have a 2017. I do have the 18, the 19. I believe I'm going to have to keep one of these so I can have a 20 as well. I might have a 20. I'll have to check, but that's for another video as well. And then this one right here, one of these is for my wife. This is a New A's Athen Owl, I believe, and it's a 2020, obviously. Now, the reason why this is for my wife is because my grandkids call her Hoot, or a hootenanny. And she's a hootenanny because she is definitely a hoot. She didn't want to be a grandma or a mama or a nana or Mimi or anything like that. She wanted to be the hootenanny, and definitely is very fitting for my wife. So she had to have the Athens Owl, obviously. Then we have the 2020 Britannia right here. 2020 Britannia, 2 pounds. Frosted back, very nice. I do like the designs of the Britannia, the different backgrounds that they put on their coins. We have a 2020 Australian Kangaroo. Very cool. The Queen is everywhere. The Queen is everywhere. Of course, we have to have a 2020 Maple Leaf. Now, these Maple Leafs right here are supposed to be the ones that don't milk spot as much as the prior years. I think they started in 2019. Don't quote me on that one. I'm not an expert. All right, so now we have the 2 ounce, a 2 ounce thing right here. Check this out. Of course, the Queen is on it. It's a $10 coin. And it is Canadian, and it is the Kraken. So I was needing to get one of these. Of course, my wife likes the dragons and like mythical creatures. So, of course, I had to get her one of these. She didn't know I was getting it, so it is a surprise. So, surprise, you got a Kraken. Of course, there's going to be a series of this kind of thing coming out, I think. And so I'll have to get one of each one of those. So 2 ounce Kraken, there's 2 of those, well, one of them going into the stream. And then these were pretty cool. These are from Mint ID, and if you have the app, you can scan this. I don't know, obviously they're going to come out with some more stuff, but if you scan this chip right here, it'll tell you if it's been tampered with or if it's real or whatnot. So a security device for these generic rounds right here. Very cool design too. It almost looks like the buffalo is coming out of the coin, or the round should I say. 1 troy ounce, 3/9 fine silver. It's got the Mint ID right there. Very cool. I've seen a few videos on it. Obviously, I don't have the app on my phone, and of course I'm recording with it, so I wouldn't be able to show you that right now. But very cool. Mint ID. We have 3 of those right there. Let's see, we'll go down to the North Korean Taekwondo round. 1 ounce fine silver. We have 2 of those to go into the Silverlopes. I thought the frosted field on this looked pretty cool. And then we have 2 half-ounce Saizen Scrofa. I don't know. These are half ounces right here. We have 2 of those. Comsco. 3 nines fine silver, obviously. And then we have 2 Shang Wei, maybe. Shang Wu? Shi Wu? I don't know. We have 2 of those. Happy with these purchases. These were actually on sale. I couldn't find very many fractional. I was needing some 10th ounce rounds, actually. I needed some 10th ounce and some quarter ounce, and I couldn't find them on any site. So people are eating those things up. Unfortunately, I could not find any, but I do have 4 half-ounce ones, and I have a couple more 10th ounce rounds that I've had laying around, and I kind of scraped some things together. So fractional is kind of slim right now. We got ounces though. I have some constitutional as well. I'll do another mail call or a unboxing on that one very shortly. But I wanted to show you guys all this because we have new stuff for the Silverlopes. So until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Get over there, Provident Metals, 6 days or less. No, they didn't really say that. I said that. Speedy service right now. Speedy service. So thank you guys at Provident Metal. And until next time, good luck.